Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the intro for the project pen. I am so excited. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope this year will be great for you and as well for me. I'm very excited and I'm very happy with this project as well. I just filmed the close-ups and it will be so fun. I can't wait. And actually this time around I think I filmed the close-ups for every product, so I am planning to finish all of these. If you don't know what a project pen is, I will explain very fast. So like the name is saying, it is a project and I decided on 10 products, and in my project I usually include most categories in the makeup routine. So I have primer, foundation, powder, etc. I don't have brow products or eyeshadows in my project pen just because I don't think that is fun. At least it's not fun for me. But you have like a number of products, in my case 10, and you are filming the progress each month and you will see how much you are able to finish up of that product. Of course, you can set different goals for each type of product. For example, blushes are usually harder to finish, so maybe we can put a number of uses of that one. And it is a very fun project. You can mix and match. You can add multiple products in the same category if you want. You can film, or just you can do it of course at home as well. You don't need to film anything and post anywhere. Just film in the progress and you will learn a lot. I learned a lot. I learned how much time it takes to finish up, for example, a lipstick, or how fast I can actually finish a gloss, because I can finish one gloss in 1 month if it's a small quantity of gloss, and you are learning a lot. So let's start with primer. In this category I decided to put actually 2, just because they are mini primers. They are, one of them is 10 milliliters and the other one is 20, and I saw that usually primers are 30 mils, so exactly one product from these two. So first of all we have the Smashbox, I said it weird, Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Hydrating Primer. I did film a close-up with this one, but I think it will be finished pretty fast, maybe even in the first month. In February this will be probably done. And the other one is the BB Boomer from Missha. This is not a favorite of mine. I have it today on my skin. It's just, first of all, it is smelling weird, and second of all, it's just like a holographic primer in a way. So yeah, sure, foundation will cover it up, at least that, but it's not a product that I would repurchase anytime soon. This one is just a nice hydrating primer. Then we have foundation. In this category I decided that I want to put this one just because I don't think I have a lot of product in here. I marked it like halfway. I'm not sure. I cannot see anything in here. I'm using all of these products on my face today. This one, it's a bit too light for me right now. I think you can probably see. I have a bit of self-tanner and this foundation is a bit too light, but I try my best to bronze it up and stuff like that. I don't know if I succeeded, but it's glowy, it is nice, from the drugstore. I do recommend this product. It's not the most long-lasting foundation and it is light to medium coverage. I would say that is correct. Overall I do like it, but I would not repurchase it after I'm done, but I am planning to finish this one. Next category is concealer, and actually in my collection I have 3 new concealers because I finished some and I just decluttered, or you will maybe see in the next empties, but whatever. I did declutter the Catrice ones because they are old and right now they are not my favorite concealers. They were in the past some of my favorites, but right now this Natasha Denona concealer is just beating everything. This is my favorite. It is the second one that I have. I did finish one in 2024 in the project pen, so I did decide to put this one in the project pen. We will use it 2-3 months, I don't know, and then maybe I will just change it after that because it is full. I marked it right here because I just I used it like 5 times. So it will just take a lot of time to use it up, and I don't want that. I want to enjoy it for a bit and then swap it out for something else. I think this is the only product in here that I'm not planning to finish from the beginning. Next, for powder, it is the NYX one that I decided to put in here, and it was a pretty obvious choice because I really want to finish this one. As you can see, I have just the smallest bit left. I think this will take me maybe 2 months to finish up, and it is a nice powder. Will I repurchase it after I'm done? I don't even know, because I prefer a loose powder over pressed, and my favorite pressed powder, I realized that it is the LYS one, but that one is so hard to purchase because I need to purchase it from Cult Beauty, and I don't even know if it is available there still. So yeah, if in the future LYS will be available at our Sephora, for sure I would repurchase that one, but for now, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna purchase a mini of these at some point. That could be a bit more realistic, but right now I want to use it up. For bronzer, even though last year we had the Rare Beauty cream bronzer, and I'm almost done with that one, and I am planning this year to finish it up as well, I would like to finish this one first, or at least have a pan or something, but I feel like I'm so close of hitting pan. I'm like looking every day, is it done? Did I hit pan? Because it is like a giant dip in here. This is the Fenty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in the shade In the Sun. This is pretty light for me right now, but yeah, maybe I'm gonna just self tan a bit less, and this will be perfect for my no tan color of the skin. I don't even know what I'm saying, but you got the point. This is good for my no tan skin. Anyway, great shade if you have a light skin tone, and this is blending like a dream. It is one of my favorites and I will enjoy it for sure. For blush, I decided to put one in the project pan that is actually a powder, and I did film a close-up for it. I don't even know. It is very hard to finish a blush, but this is my favorite, or top 3 blushes in my collection. It is the Benefit Shellie, and it is a mini, and I used it a lot. Could I finish it up? I don't know. I will see. I will keep this in the project pan for 1 month or 2, and then we will see. Maybe I'm gonna hit pan on it in 2 months and I'll be very motivated to use it up, or maybe I'm gonna not see any progress in the close-ups and I'll be like, sure, we are changing this one up, because it is very boring sometimes to use the same blush. So I'm gonna use this one. I do enjoy it. It's a perfect mix of not too pigmented blush and something glowy. I just love it so much. So we will see, but for now I really want to use it a lot. For highlighter as well, I decided to put this one again in the project pan, but this time around I did mark it and I did film a close-up. It has a small window in here and I'm seeing it's like I don't have product there. I have product on the other side because I am keeping this one, like I kept this one on the table, so it's like this, but if I will keep it like this, probably the window will be covered. Do you understand my English? Because today it's hard apparently. This is coming with me while traveling all the time because it is just so easy to apply. I'm just using my finger and tap it on my cheeks and it's so easy to apply and looks flawless every time. For lips, we have again 3 products. Lip liner, again a rollout from last year, the Nabla lip pencil. Look how tiny it is. It's so small, I want to use it up. I just think it will be pretty easy to use up, maybe like 1 month or 2. This should be done. It is the shade 1.5. I'm in love with this formula. The Nabla lip liners are so nice. But again, Nabla is not available in Romania. I need to order it online. And lately, I've been not that excited about ordering from Beauty Bay or Cult Beauty. There is no enough products that I really want to justify purchasing from outside Romania. So for now, it is what it is. For lipstick, it was a pretty obvious choice, and it is the Pillow Talk. I cannot believe that it was not done last year. Apparently it takes more than 1 year in the project pen for a lipstick to be done. But this year, I'm finishing it up for sure. It looks so used and beat up. And yeah, I think I will be able to finish it up. And yeah, I really enjoy it. It is great. Another brand that is not available at our Sephora, which is a shame because I really like Charlotte Tilbury, and this lipstick is 11 out of 10. And lastly, for a lip gloss, I decided to do something a bit different than usual. It will be a bit harder, but I decided to put a pigmented gloss in the project pen. Usually I do put clear glosses that I could keep on my desk and just reapply, but I have like 3 glosses that are getting very old, and I would like to finish them up, or I would like to do a big dip in them so I could just declutter them and be fine. Because like I have 3 glosses that I know that I really love: the Natasha Denona, My Dream Lip Gloss, the Nivea gloss, and this one. It's a shame to throw them away because they are so just perfect glosses. I really like all these 3, and they are old. So this year I want to focus on these 3. Will they be done? I have no idea, because it is very hard to finish up a gloss, and even a pigmented gloss. This will be very hard, but I really love it. This is, I didn't even say what the product is. This is the NYX. This is Milky Gloss in Salted Caramel Shake. Smells incredible. It is a very pigmented gloss, but because it is a milky gloss, I'm wearing it today with the Nabla lip liner. It looks great. It's so natural and beautiful. Can't recommend it enough. And they have a million colors, but this one is my favorite one. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.